Hi, it's Saturday, December 17th, 2016 and my first vlog post, and anybody who's thinking about starting a vlog, I should tell you that it's not as easy as it looks. Means I just started and I already realized that it's pretty hard because it's kind of uncomfortable walking through a street with so many people staring at you because you're basically talking to yourself. So I thought I could give this a try. But this is my first vlog, so I hope you'll be a little kind in the comment section. And what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna walk you through my day, and also I'm gonna try to take you to a few interesting places in the city where I live. My dad actually told me to take someone else if I was going to be vlogging today, and right now it really makes sense because what I've discovered about vlogging so far is that if you're shooting a video vlog in a city, it can be really unsafe. I don't know if you can see this, but this is the traffic here, and I don't think anybody here cares about rules that much. Listen na. একটা আমি দিয়ে পড়লাম ভালো পড় এটা ভালো জানো পাঁচটা বাল আপনি এই জায়গাতে কি বাড়ি পাঁচ কিলো কি হবে আমরা কিন্তু একটা মারবি না আমি মারবো না পাঁচটা হবে এর একটা তুলে নি একে তুলে নি একবার বাচ্চাটাকে তুলে নি আই দেখো বল মিষ্টি খেতে পয়সা দেবে ফটো তুলি কি কিউট এদিকে দাঁড়া ও মা তুইও আদর করে দিচ্ছিস তোরও ভালো লাগে ও ভিডিওটা তোলো ও আচ্ছা সেলিব্রিটি হতে চায় one reason is traffic. Second reason is I was going down this road which was very beautiful and I didn't take any videos of it. দাদা পাথুরিয়া ঘাটা স্ট্রিট এদিকে যাওয়া যাবে সামনে গলিটা
শুধু মন কেন কান্দে রে কান্দে শুধু মন কেন কান্দে রে যখন সোনালি রূপলি আলো নদীর বুকে বাসা
সেটাই বলছি
পাথুরিয়া ঘাটা স্ট্রিট কোন দিক দিয়ে যাব পাথুরিয়া ঘাটা
মন্দিরে যাবেন না বাড়িতে যাবেন
রাজবাটি নতুন বাজারটা কোন দিক দিয়ে যাব
সোজা যান
হ্যাঁ
ট্রাম লাইন আছে
হ্যাঁ
বাঁ দিকে চলে যাবেন ঠাকুরবাড়ি
ঠিক আছে here to check out the old mansions that are kind of losing their importance in the modern day because nobody really cares about them anymore, nobody looks after them, so I'm going to put them in the vlog so that
provided my battery doesn't run out.
Yeah, I'm going to put them in my vlog provided my battery doesn't run out, so that more people can see them and more people can feel a passion to conserve them and revitalize the neighborhood that I'm now taking over.
Wow, spoken like
থাকো তো এটা চ্যানেলের মতন না পুরো বাড়িতে এটা আছে না কিছু শুনতে পাচ্ছ না মানে এটা একটা ঘর এটা নিচে कमरा है अच्छा हाय खड़े तो हो नहीं पाते होगे सारा दिन बिना खड़े हुए कैसे रहते हो हाँ कब से रह रहे हो? कहाँ से आए थे? अच्छा, यहाँ पे काम क्या करते हो? अच्छा अच्छा। वैसे किराया कितना देते हैं यहाँ पे? किराया नहीं लगता यहाँ पे? अच्छा, ठीक है। So we are entering this very old mansion in Pathariyamata Street, and the reason I'm being quiet is because last time we were here, we were not allowed to film anything. So I don't want to draw too much attention to myself. I just want to go inside, get the job done, show you a 360-degree view of the place, and then just come out.
দাড়িওয়ালাটা মুখ বলে দিন
কে জানে?
ওই যে
Who Raghunath was? I don't know who.
পয়েন্ট
But then from what I know,
হ্যাঁ
this guy was pretty rich and he was pretty,
লেকচারার্স
what?
না দেশ মানলাম
This is filming. You can't say stuff like that. Hello? Hello? And by the way, are you checking out? Are you really checking this out? Like, just the fact that we are here is pretty.
I know.
Oh, nee, that's a person, right? That's a person, right?
Yeah, that's a person.
Sir? Sir?
Enjoy.
Sir? Sir? তুই বেরিয়ে যা, আমার তো ঠিক আছে। এক্সকিউজ মি, আপনারা এখানে Okay, so at this point, I think I should mention that I am a student of Jadavpur University, and I'm an architecture student, and I always have my ID card with me. So how that helps is that I can always go into houses and ask people to show me around, and it's not going to be weird or anything, but most people will probably never have access to the mansions that I'm showing you right now. But that's kind of a pity because there is actually lots to see over here, and it's sad that right now a lot of people aren't paying much attention to it. Okay, to see how this can be a problem, if you look at the slab right here, you'll see that it's not going straight. It kind of curves. Here, right here, you'll see that the load is such that it curves down, and that's not very safe for a building. And
So I saw this meme on Facebook. Meme on Facebook. Whatever. So I লেখা আছে ওই স্পিড ডেটিং হচ্ছে একটা ছেলেটা মেয়েটা ভিডিও হচ্ছে
হ্যাঁ উঠছে, কিন্তু এটা আমি ডান
ছেলেটা মেয়ে সেটাকে জিজ্ঞেস করছে ছেলেটা জিজ্ঞেস করছে মেয়েটাকে টেসলা আর এডিসন এটা জিজ্ঞেস করছে মানে বহুত কথা ছেলেটা নেক্সট
I think you have
I
the
like it.
camera syndrome, where just because the camera is rolling, you're becoming more uncomfortable,
Yeah.
and you're making worse jokes than you usually would.
Your generation of Duran questions.
Who is Jhulan Goswami? I don't know who Jhulan Goswami is.
And you're supposed to be a feminist.
I don't know who Jhulan Goswami
She
is.
was the Indian. She was the Indian captain.
And cricket is not a boys' game. It's a universal game.
अच्छा. সেই. দেখ সে তো ফুটবলও মেয়েরা খেলে ভালো খেলে.
Anybody who's listening to them, no game is a boys' game or a girls' game. Every game is a universal game. So we're done with exploring. Shonok is very concerned about what he looks like on camera and he's asking if he should take off his glasses. That happened. That happened. He just said that. Yes, you did say that. But anyways, we're done. But anyways, we are done exploring Pathriya Ghata Street and we are sitting at this spot and basically people watching. And this is actually a very nice spot for me. Basically doing nothing but people watching. Okay, so it's a lot later now. It's about 6 in the evening right now. And I've been home for about 2 hours, but I was taking a nap. So what I discovered was that video blogging can be pretty tiring. It can be pretty physically demanding. But there were a few things that I liked about it. For example, I went to a neighborhood that I had been to 5 or 6 times before. But I still ended up noticing things about it that I hadn't before because I was trying to capture the special things that I saw over there. So also I think I didn't smile enough, and I don't think anybody wants to watch somebody, any YouTube blogger who doesn't smile enough. And the biggest mistake I think I kept making was that I kept seeing things that were interesting, but I kept forgetting to capture them. I kept forgetting to take out my camera and actually filming it. So I think it will get a lot better with time, but I'm going to say goodbye now. I think what I want from you guys is that in the comment section, please write down what you want to see in the video blogs. Do you want to see more about the city? Do you want to see me walk you through what a regular girl in India does in her life? Whatever it is, I try to film videos about that. And you can see that I'm fumbling a little bit because it's my first time and I still need a lot more experience to get it right. But if you like today's vlog, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And until then, as I always say, make the best of what you have and everything else will be fine.